Let's make artichokes. All right, first you want to cut off the stem and rub it with lemon, then cut off the top quarter or third. Do the same thing, rub it with lemon to prevent it from turning brown. Then we're going to trim the spiky tips of the leaves and rub those with lemon. So put a steamer basket into a pot filled with water and put your artichokes in there. Squeeze a lemon over the top, cover and steam for about 1 hour. While those are cooking, I'm going to make a sauce. I'll mince up some garlic, saute that in a little bit of olive oil, add some ground fennel, and as soon as that's fragrant, I'll pull that off the heat. Now to some mayonnaise, I'm going to add some salt, some white pepper, a little bit of lemon zest, some fresh squeezed lemon juice, and then add in our garlic fennel mixture and stir. So good. All right, let's check our artichokes. When they're done, the leaves should pull off, so these aren't quite ready. We'll give them a little more time and check them again. And yep, perfect. Ready to eat. So you dip them into your sauce, and then you just slide them between your teeth to pull that meaty part off of the leaf. And then when you get to the center of the artichoke, you want to pull away that furry center called the choke so that you can get to the heart of the artichoke, the best part, and enjoy. You can find the recipe and more like this on hypothyroidchef.com.